In this video, we are going to see how to troubleshoot error. You need permission to perform this action on Windows 10. To resolve this issue, first of all, sign in as an administrator on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you're having the problem. Let's suppose I have issues on this folder. Right-click on the folder and click on the Properties. Under Properties, click on the Security tab, click the Advanced button, then click Change Owner on the Advanced Security Settings dialog, and in the resulting dialog enter whatever you want the owner to be. Here I will select this user account, and then click on OK. Now a new checkbox appears labeled Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Check it. Also check the box at the bottom, Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. Click on it and it will give you security warning window. Click on Yes, then again click on OK. Now you will be able to access this folder. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button. Hit subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos.